How to trade on TradeSyncer. First, open the TradeSyncer website and log into your account. If you are new, sign up and connect your trading account using the supported broker or exchange. Once connected, go to the dashboard to view your synced trades and account performance. Now, choose the market or account you want to trade with. Open the Trade Analysis or Trading panel to review your setup. Select the asset or trading pair you want to trade. Before placing a trade, check your risk, position size, and strategy details. Enter your trade parameters such as entry, stop loss, and take profit. Confirm the trade and execute it through your connected broker. After placing the trade, monitor its performance from the Open Trades or Analytics section. You can review your profit, loss, and trading statistics to improve future trades. Always trade with proper risk management and stick to your strategy. And that's how you trade using TradeSyncer. Thanks for watching.